The incredible potato cannon uses simple materials to demonstrate the science of propulsion and pressure. First, cut a potato into chunks that fit snugly inside a PVC pipe. Next, use a lighter to ignite hairspray in the end of the pipe, creating a rapid combustion reaction. Within seconds, the pressure builds up, launching the potato out of the pipe with impressive speed. This experiment highlights the basic principles of gas expansion and Newton's third law of motion. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Remember to conduct this experiment outdoors and properly supervise children for safety.